and see how I waste my money. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia and I am a shopaholic. Self-diagnosed, untreatable, hopeless and helpless shopaholic. So if you like this kind of stuff, shopping, beauty, fashion and all the stuff related to the fun and joy of being a woman, you might stick around. Press the red subscribe button and let's just be in that addiction together. So today, as you've probably seen from the title and from the thumbnail, I'm going to reveal, because not really unboxing, reveal my first ever Louis Vuitton bag. This is my first ever Louis Vuitton piece. I don't have any SLGs or anything like that. And as I mentioned in my previous video when I showed you my vintage Chanel, I have been wanting the bags, and then when I collect the funds, we had COVID times when I couldn't travel. So I lost my patience in the spring and I just started to order them online. And the bag that I'm going to show you, it's from Vestiaire Collective. I found it there, but I actually bought it through Instagram and I had it authenticated online also from another source, of course, not from the lady that was selling it. I have been shopping quite a lot from Vestiaire recently, so I think I will also make a video about my experience and my thoughts on Vestiaire and what's happening there. But anyway, back to the Louis Vuitton. So of course I wanted to have the bags from, not maybe each, but from the most popular designer houses. And I wanted a Louis Vuitton bag, and from one side I wanted the monogram, the canvas monogram, but from the other side I actually didn't like the bags as far I could see them from YouTube videos, pictures, because I don't have any store around me. I live in Reykjavik, Iceland, so the closest store is probably in Ireland or in the UK. So I was looking for something which would have that monogram, but maybe not too much. I didn't like these bags which are big and full of that monogram. For some reason it seemed to me too crowded, like I mean that LV monogram, not those other damier monograms. So I was looking, and if something interesting would pop up, then I was willing to buy, and also of course not paying crazy premium price on it. And after watching YouTube, there was a bag which I actually got interested in. The bag was called Palace Clutch, and it's a discontinued bag. It has been discontinued like probably a couple of years ago, and I found that that was it. That was the one I loved. That was the one I wanted. So I started to look for it. I started to look mostly on Vestiaire because that was the recommended website or the recommended reseller, which you can get authentication and you can get your item. Louis Vuitton monogram is the most faked pattern ever. So like, you know, I was reading some stats some time ago that, you know, like, I don't know, majority of the pieces that we actually see, they are not real, which is actually crazy and scary. But anyway, maybe let's go to the business and show you the bag. So the bag came with original packaging, and it also has the ribbon, which I didn't bother to tie and pretend that it was like this because I cannot do that. And it has the dust bag, and this is it. This is here. So this is the beautiful Palace Clutch. And I loved it that it's so small, so handy, spacious enough, and it has that red detail. It was quite hard to find the red one because I could easier find the black or navy, any other color, but the red one was very, very difficult to find. And another thing is, was hard to find the bag which was in very, very good condition, because I saw a couple of them and the corners were worn, so I didn't like that. I wanted my baby to be beautiful and perfect, and I think that one is it. That's it. It's close to perfection. Seriously, it doesn't have any signs of wear, any. The hardware is pristine. There is no single scratch, no single discoloration. You know, it's intact. And it has that strap, which is vachetta. It is slightly darkened already. However, in Icelandic weather, I don't use that strap because once I took it out and it was very good weather, and then a few minutes later it started to rain a little. So I'm afraid to use that strap. I'm okay with it darkening and becoming brown, but I don't want the water stains on it. So I actually put some other chain, and I'm just using it with that chain, which by the way is actually from an H&M bag. I'm just thinking, if Louis Vuitton knows that you put H&M strap on their bags, they probably wouldn't be happy about it. But anyway, from the clothes, this is how it looks. Honestly, it's like really the first piece of Louis Vuitton that I had in my hands, because I mean I could see the bags around, but you know, it's not the same. And I was positively impressed how that monogram canvas looks, how it feels, and that it's much better not quality, but it feels and looks better than on the pictures. So I actually like the monogram more than I actually was thinking I will. However, I'm not planning to probably buy so many monogram pieces. I actually have ordered a vintage piece which is in damier ebene, which I will show you probably sometime later. So this is my first Louis Vuitton baby. Let me know how you like this bag. Are you looking for something on Louis Vuitton? What is your favorite Louis Vuitton? Are you a fan of monogram, the older monograms, or more of the leather, or those monograms which are embossed in leather? I actually quite like that. I'm actually looking at Alma BB, but I don't know if I can get it anywhere, anytime, any soon. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, for spending time with me, and for all your lovely comments. I'm actually surprised that I'm getting quite a few comments after every video. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye.